Okay. So in the last class, we have discussed, I think, two types of logical connectives. Okay. First logical connective, what we discussed in the yesterday's class was exclusive disjunction. So what we have studied exclusive disjunction, it is a type of a disjunction or it is a type of a OR gate where there is only one, what is called as, there is only one difference between disjunction and exclusive disjunction, that is the last state. That is exclusive disjunction, it is a type of logical connective. Okay, exclusive disjunction, it is a type of a logical connective where either the exclusive disjunction will be true. Okay, exclusive disjunction will be true if either P is Q or either Q is true, but not both at the same time. This is what we discussed in the yesterday's class, right? So either P will be true at one time or either Q will be true at one time. So, but not both at the same time. This is what in yesterday's class we discussed. So apart from that, we have already also discussed another one type of a logical connective called as conditional type of a logical connective. Okay. So what is this actually conditional type of a logical connective? Here we are going to use the term if and then. That is what, for example, if you ask me, notes, what I'll tell is, I'll give you notes if you give me the notes back, your notes back. That is if and then condition. Means what? Sometimes we talk to our friends also in condition, right? I will do you that, but there is one condition. So this is what conditional type means. What? Yesterday, few students, they had the doubt. They had messaged me personally. So I will explain again conditional only today. Okay. Last two are there. One is conditional and biconditional. That I will be explaining today. No doubt conditional type of a statement. Okay. For example, if you take conditional, it is a type of a logical connective. Okay. Conditional, it is a type of a logical connective where consider two propositions. Consider two propositions. One is proposition P and another one is proposition Q. Okay. Consider the two propositions. One is proposition P and another one is proposition Q. How conditional we are going to represent? With the arrow mark P conditional Q. Okay. I will explain Q conditional P also. For now, just concentrate here. Okay. So what we have done here, I have taken here two of propositions, proposition P and proposition Q, and this is nothing but arrow mark. The symbol for this is arrow mark. This is nothing but symbol. This is nothing but a symbol. Like how we had cap for conditional, for conjunction, then V for disjunction, then we had something V, under that V, we had one dash, V kala one dash ittu, adandre exclusive disjunction. So similarly here also, in conjunction, we are having a arrow mark. This is symbol. Okay, now consider here two propositions. This is conditional type of a statement. 0, 0. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Logical connectives, remember, logical connectives are very, very important. In order to solve your complete subject DMS is dependent on this logical connectives. So, jana idenidu one topic ada enagala illa. Complete subject, just not only one chapter. Full subject, it is dependent on negation, conjunction, disjunction, then exclusive disjunction, conditional, biconditional. Ivichtra male complete subject ida. So what happens? It will be you people should take care, or you need to be perfect with this type of a logical connectives. Some are coming now. Okay. So now conditional logical connective. Okay, conditional logical connective, it is a type of logical connective where Okay, P condition Q, where P conditional Q will be false. For example, 1, this is 1, this is 0, this is 1. See here. So P condition Q will be false only when P is true and Q is false. ಇಲ್ಲಿ P ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ Q ಅದ. ಯಾವಾಗ P 1 ಇದ್ದು Q 0 ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Whereas for other condition it will be 1. Yesterday one of your classmates asked me, madam, here also here I have 1 0 and in second, if you notice here, in second also she told that, madam, here also I have 1 0 and 1 1. Why I have got here 1? So my answer was it is a rule formed. It is a rule form. For example, P condition Q, P 1 ಇದ್ದಾಗ Q 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ my result will be 0. If P is 0 and Q is 1, no. ಎದಕ್ಕಂದ್ರ because if you remember, if P than Q or if Q than P, do you have what is called idea that if P than Q is not same as if Q than P? For example, I will give you one example. If, okay, if for example, if Bangalore is in Karnataka, okay, then for example, if Bangalore is in Karnataka, then Bijapur is in Karnataka. You imagine like that. If Bangalore is in Karnataka, then Bijapur is in Karnataka. Whereas if I take like this, if Bijapur is in Karnataka, then Bangalore is in Karnataka. Two sentences, if you notice, they are not same. They are not same. So here always remember, P condition Q is not equal to Q condition P. I'll explain that also. For now time, remember, the P condition Q will be false under 0. P condition Q will be false only when P is 1 and Q is 0. Madam, illino 0 ada, ill 1 ada, but ill 1 hakiralla illa. Edakandre ill P 0 ada. Concentrate ಮಾಡಿ. P 0 ada, Q 1 ada. Interchange agadil. So according to rule, whoever is the author, according to his rule, condition statement is like this. So P condition Q will be false only when P is true, P is 1 and Q is false. Whereas for rest of the cases, it will be 1. If you notice, for rest of the cases, it will be 1. Okay. So this is condition. P condition Q. Another thing I told you. Just see here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ first P 1 idre Q 0 idre matra 0 ಇರ್ತದ. Okay. If P is 1, Q is 0. First P ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. If the condition, ಇದು if, ಇದು then. If P, then Q. Okay. If P, then Q. Then only this will be the result. Now we will see another type. Q condition P. Q condition P. As usual, I'll write here 4 conditions. As usual, I'll write here some 4 conditions. Okay. Now, no doubt first statement 0 0 both are 0. Now notice the second condition. Very important. What is Q here? 1. What is P here? 0. So always if Q then P, if the 1 is there, Q is 0 is there, our result, sorry, this is 1 here, sorry, I got confused. So 0 0 is 1. Again, when taking Q condition P, okay, Q condition P, first is 1, second is 0. Then our result will be 0, rest 2 other will be 1 1. When, remember, P condition Q, whenever you have P condition Q, third will be 0. ಅಷ್ಟು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ವೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಕ್ಯೂ, ಥರ್ಡ್ row will be 0, rest others will be 1. When you take q condition p, q andre idu, because first 0 0 1 0 hing tagಬೇಕು. first q ಬರ್ತದ, ಆಮೇಲೆ p ಬರ್ತದ. Okay, first you'll be getting q, then you'll be getting p. So first 0 0 1 ಆಮೇಲೆ 1 0. p ನ ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು, first p 1 0 ಇತ್ತು, so we had taken 0. But now here first is 1 is here 0, so it is 0. So or else to make full simpler, p condition q idra, if you have p condition q, then take third row as 0 simply. If you have q condition p, inta type problems so barbodu. If you have q condition p, make the second row as 0, rest others are just 1. But one thing you remember, one thing you need to remember, 1 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, 0 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಒಂದು 1 ಹಾಕಿ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ 0. No, p condition q or q condition p will be 0, rest others will be 1. Okay, so this is one logic you need to remember. Definitely ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಬೇರೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Now see here, I'll write the combined of these two. I'll write here p condition q, q condition p. Now notice here 1 1. See here, here I have 1, here I have 0. I think you are following. Here 1, here 0. 1 0. 1 condition 0 will be 0. Whereas here you see here, what is q? Q is 1. Q is 1 here. Q 1. I think you are not visible. P is q. Q p. So third is 1 condition 0 will be 0. Okay. Then similarly here also 1. What is q here? See here, q is 1. Condition 0 will be 0. So 1 condition 0 is 0. Here also 1 condition 0 is 0. Okay, whether it is p condition q or whether it is q condition p, just remember one thing. Just we need to remember one thing, that 1 condition 0, okay, 1 condition 0 is 0, illinu 1 condition 0 is 0. Edak madam ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 condition 0 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ q ಏನದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೋಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ. q 1 ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ p 1 ಅದ, ಸೊ ಇದು 0, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೆರಡು ಏನಪ್ಪ 1 1. So this is how p condition q. So what they will tell us is p condition q and q condition p both are not same. Whether these two are same, ಇಲ್ಲಿ first 1 1 0 1. Here I have 1 0 1 1. Yes or no? Here I have 1 1 0 1. Here I have 1 0 1 1. Both are not same. Definitely. Okay. Both are not same. So this is how. With this we are going to conclude that p condition q and q condition p are not same. P condition q is not equal to q condition p. This is what the statement is. Whether everybody followed this, just raise your hand. If you want me to explain another time, I will explain. Who have come now? Just go to the link and see. Okay. Next, using some statement we will see now. Some statement haki nodani iವಾಗ. Okay, example. Simple statements ತಗೊಂತೀನಣ್ಣ. First and the foremost, again I am repeating, truth table perfect irbeku. You need to be perfect with the truth table. Once you are perfect with the truth table, not a problem. You can take examples of your own. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಕಂಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಚ್ಬೇಕು ಮಿಡಲ್, ಡಿಸ್ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ ಹಚ್ಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಡಿಸ್ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈದರ್ ಆರ್ ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬೋತ್. ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹಚ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು? ಇಫ್ ದೆನ್. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ P. I'll take simple example only. I will take simple example only. 3 is a prime number. Three is a prime number. Okay. Then Q, 2 plus 3 is equal to 4. 2 plus 3 is equal to 4. Simple I am taking. Okay. Now we will see. First they have given us two statements. One is P, another one is Q. Okay. We will see whether these statements are. First ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿ ನಾನು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಕೂಡ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ವೆದರ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಇದ್ದದ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ 3 is a prime number ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಇವಾಗ. ಓಕೆ, 3 is a prime number. What is that 3 is a prime number? Whether it is true? Yes, it is true. Or 1 I will write. True or it is 1. Now 2 plus 3 is equal to 4. 2 plus 3 is equal to 4. Whether this is true, 2 plus 3 is 4? No, it is wrong. 2 plus 3 is 5. So this is false or 0. Or it is 0. Fine. Next, ಇವಾಗ just the two statements ಕೊಟ್ಟಿನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. Okay, I have given just the two statements. Now we will see. P condition Q. First ಇದನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. First I will show you P condition Q, then I will show you Q condition P. Both I will show you in this example. Okay. Okay. Whenever you start with a condition, I told you we need to use the words if and then. If then compulsory use ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. Okay. Okay. I will write in statement P condition Q. It is written as. Okay, it is written as if then are compulsory. What is P? 3 is a prime number. If 3 is a prime number, Pn anta baritina capital. Pn is nothing but prime number. Okay. If 3 is a prime number, okay, if 3 is a prime number, then 2 plus 3 is 4. ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಟ್ರೂ ಆದ್ರೂ ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಇರ್ಲಿ. ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್, we need to write the same thing irrespective whether it is true or whether it is false. Okay. Now if I have put if 3 is a prime number, then aita if P 3 is a prime number, then 2 plus 3 is 4 is equal to. Okay, wait. Whether 3 is a prime number, we need to judge. Whether 3 is a prime number? True. Yes, it is a prime number. True. Whether 3 is a prime number? Yes, it is true. Then, if then series, arrow mark hakona, symbol hakona. 2 plus 3 is 4. Whether 2 plus 3 is 4? Whether 2 plus 3 is 4? False. False is 0. Whether 2 plus 3 is 4, whether 2 plus 3 is 4? False. So I have got here what? One condition 0 anta sikadam. This is P, this is Q. Because this is P condition Q. This is P, this is Q. Fine. Now, once this is P and this is Q, I want the result of this. I want the result of this. Whether I'm audible? Whether I'm audible? Okay. Okay, fine. So I want to what now? Result. P is 1, Q is 1. Now we will write the truth table. We will write the truth table here. See here. I'll write here side P, Q, P condition Q. 0, 0, okay, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So according to my this, all are 1, 1 except this. 1, 1, 0, 1. Now see here. 0 condition 0 is 1, 0 condition 1 is 1, 1 condition 0 is 0, and then last 1 condition 1 is definitely 0. Now, here we need to solve here. What is here P? P is 1, Q is what? 0. Q is what? 0. So finally, what is P here? We need to see. P is 1, Q is what? What is Q here? Q is 0. What is the result of this? It is 0. So finally, P condition Q will be 0. So like this, truth table plays a very important role. This is P condition Q. Whether everybody followed this P condition Q? Raise your hands. I will explain Q condition P also. I will explain Q condition P. Okay. Now I will explain same example only. Same example only. I will explain. See here Q condition P. I will explain same. Here Q condition P. I will explain same. Now see here. We came to know the value of P condition Q is 0. 0 bantu last example. Again we'll see now. Okay. Q condition P equal to, what is Q? Don't be confused. What is Q? 2 plus 3 is equal to 4. What is P? 3 is a prime number. See here. Q is what? If compulsory, if then ಹಾಕ್ಲೇಬೇಕು. Okay. If 2 plus 3 is equal to 4, then 3 is a prime number. Then 3 is a prime number. Okay. If 2 plus 3 is equal to 4, then 3 is a prime number. I have put if and then, because this is conditional type of a logical connector. Okay. One second. Okay. Now, Q condition P barkondi statement. We will see what is the result. Is equal to, whether 2 plus 3 is equal to 4, whether this is true or false, it is false. 2 plus 3 is equal to 4, whether this is false or true, it is false. So 0, false and 0 hakbek. Okay. 0, condition 3 is a prime number. What is 3 is a prime number? Whether it is true or false, it is true. This is true. Okay, this is true, definitely. Okay. Now, this is equal to, what is 0? This is Q, because first I have taken Q. Condition P. Q condition P. Now we will see in our truth table what is Q condition P. Q value is 0, whereas P value is 1. Q value is what? 0, whereas P value is 1. Aita? Illi nodona. Now see here. Q value is what? 0. Q value is first 0, P value is 1. P value is 1. This is Q, this is P. So Q is 0, P is 1. What is the value? Sorry, what is the result here? Result is 1. See the difference. P condition Q. Say, no, even though the same statements, P condition Q in one result 0 banta. What I got here? Q condition P 1. Q is what? I am going to repeat again. Q is 0. P is 1. Now go here. Q is 0 here. Q is 0. P is 1. First thing ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Q ಅಂದ್ರೆ Q ಕೆಳಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು. Okay. You need to see under Q only. You need to see under Q only. So Q is 0 and P is 1. So the result is what? 1. Result is 1. So 1. I think you came to know the difference. I had told you one statement. P condition Q and Q condition P both are not same. This is the best example. Followed everybody? Followed everybody? So both Q condition P and P condition Q are not equal to each other. Okay. Somebody has sent me message. Okay. Due to some network problem, I had faced some technical issue. Okay, so this is how conditional actually works. Okay, we'll go to last one. Okay, that is biconditional today. Just I will explain the truth table today with example. I will be explaining in next class. Okay. Whether I'm audible now or anything problem? Whether I'm audible? Here there is some light technical issue. Okay. Last one I will explain just truth table for today. Okay. With example I'll explain it next class. Fine. Okay, last type of a logical connective is biconditional. I will be just explaining truth table for today. Okay, with example I'll explain in next class because it's already time. See here, biconditional basically it is represented with a symbol 2 arrow mark. By conditional hengittu just one line hacking arrow mark antittu. Whereas biconditional is what? It is for both. Biconditional is nothing but it is for both directions. See here, simple it is. P, Q. Consider the two propositions. Okay, consider the two propositions P and Q. I'll write first here conditions 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So, biconditional P, biconditional Q, P, biconditional Q is represented as, or we will solve this by P, or else wait. This is P conditional Q, Q conditional P. So P biconditional Q, P biconditional Q, it is represented or it is given as P conditional Q conjunction Q conditional P. Just I will write the truth table. Tomorrow I'll explain in detail. Now first these two columns, event column namak gottida. P condition Q, Q condition P. I'll write this. 1101, 1011. Idanthru we came to know. Next, ivellerdu P condition Q is this row, Q condition P is this row. Okay. With these two, I need to make a conjunction. Conjunction andre eno? AND gate. Conjunction is nothing but what? AND gate. So 1 1 OR gate AND gate madri work. 1 1 what will be the result? 1. 1 0 what will be the result? 0. 0 1 is 0. 1 1 is again 1. This is AND gate. We need to AND of these two statements. First P condition Q, Q condition P, you need to write down. ಅವೆರಡರದ್ದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು? AND gate. P condition Q, conjunction. See here cap. Conjunction Q condition P. So ಇವೆರಡರದ್ದು AND. ಇವೆರಡರದ್ದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು? AND. So one AND gate or one conjunction 1 is 1, one conjunction 0 is 0, 0 1 is 0, 1 1 is 1. So this is how truth table of pi conditions. Again I will be explaining in the next class. Okay. Whether at least this you follow today, everybody, just raise your hands. The topics what I told you, whether it was clear? The topics what I explained today, whether it is clear? Okay, fine. We'll continue in the next class. Okay. So I think this is familiar with you, right? Followed everybody this one? Just raise your hands. Okay. Fine. Okay. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.